Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and I just stuttered on my intro because I forgot the words because I've done this 6 times now. Not this video, but I've filmed 6 videos tonight. This will be the 6th and the final, thankfully. But words. Yeah, this is my Boxycharm Premium unboxing. This retails for $35 a month. You get, I think 8 full-size, deluxe-size, sample-size products. And yeah, let's go ahead and dive into this. So, keeping with the other box, this is the theme card. It's called Fresh Start, which is very fitting for it being January 2020. But let's go ahead and see what's in here. Right on top, we have Lashes MD Eyelash Eyebrow Conditioner. Okay, so what's this supposed to do? A lash serum that promotes fuller, stronger, and healthier eyelashes and brows. Our signature eyelash conditioner nourishing formula is specifically designed to help eyelash growth and support strong lashes. So that's cool. $69.95 for this little guy here. But I will definitely use this. I'm not going to use it in my brows just because I have very full brows already, as you guys can tell, and I do not like how full my brows are. So, but on my lashes, I will definitely use it. Fenty Beauty, what are you? This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I have mine in the shade Butter. I don't know if there were different shades or if this is like the translucent shade or what. We'll open it and find out. This retails for $24. No, we have 2 Fenty products. Spoiler alert, $32. Oh, this packaging is gorgeous. This is like a heavy duty powder too, like that's a lot of powder. I feel like I remember people saying this smells really good, so I'm kind of wanting to smell it. That didn't work. Nope, I don't smell anything. Feels really soft though, right there. Ooh. Honestly, that might be too light to set my entire face with. But under the eyes, it would look nice. I'll try it, we'll see. Very brightening. But, yeah, I'm excited about this. I don't know, I'm hoping that there's multiple colors that you can get based on like your profile, because that's gonna be very dark, or very light on some people. Summer Fridays, Jet Lag Mask. It is cruelty free, never heard of this brand. 48 bucks. It's a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or an in-flight lifesaver. Okay, so it's a moisturizer too, that's cool. I'm not gonna open it because I have so many moisturizers already, but I am always excited for a new moisturizer. This feels really cold. I don't know why, but I don't know if I told you, but it's $48. Pretty sure I already said that, but I'm excited about that. What are you? Silver Pure Silver Infused Microfiber Makeup Removing Cloth from PMD. 30 bucks for this. Wow. It's antibacterial, anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. Do I have to wet this? Or is it just, yeah, wash cloth before first use. Dampen cloth with warm water and gently wipe off makeup. Rinse cloth, machine wash as needed. It's very soft. It feels like a baby blanket. That's cool. I mean, it's a good way to be like environmentally friendly instead of using so many makeup wipes, which I'm very guilty of doing. So I'm excited about that though. Like, I have so many swatches on my hand right now from the last video I filmed and I forgot to wipe my hand off. And I don't think this is gonna come off because this is literally toilet paper because I left my makeup wipes in the other room. Okay, here's the other Fenty product. This is the Full Frontal Mascara. Oh my gosh, I got so many mascaras this month in boxes, but I'm very excited. It's so pretty. I don't want to open it yet. I'm not gonna open it because, again, if you've watched any of the unboxings I've done lately, I have too many mascaras open right now. But this, I think, was $24. Yeah, $24 for this. I'm very excited. It's supposed to volume, lift, and curl. And the last thing in here is a palette of some sorts. This is by Ofra. This is the Good To Go Mini Mix palette for 39 bucks. Oh, it's got like some of everything in here. I have never tried an Ofra eyeshadow before, so that's exciting. But here, smells like baby powder. Here's what it looks like. There is a highlighter in the middle. Oh, cool. The names are on the back. Okay. That highlight is called All of the Lights. And then we have some eyeshadows, which are from here up and here. And then we have a blush and a bronzer. I suck at reading which is which, so one of these is called Current and one of these is called Intentions. I'm going to swatch some of these eyeshadows just because I've never tried an Ofra eyeshadow. There they are. Oh, they're pretty. I've also never tried an Ofra bronzer. I have tried an Ofra blush before. That bronzer is very, very light in tone. Okay, I'm excited about that. I shouldn't have swatched it because, again, way too much makeup that I haven't used right now, but I wanted to, so I did. Okay, so that's everything. Let's do a quick little recap. I think I liked everything in the box this month. Got so much makeup all over. Okay, Fenty powder, pumped for. Super excited about that. The moisturizer I'm excited about. I've never heard of this brand, but it is cruelty free, which is awesome. The palette I'm excited for. I don't usually tend to go for like the palettes that have multiple kinds of products in them, but this I feel like I can throw in my eyeshadow drawer because realistically I can use all those products as eyeshadows. The mascara, super excited for. Lash Serum I'm excited for. Where'd the cloth thing go already? Oh, right here. And this thing I'm excited for because I mean it's gonna be really good to reduce waste. I just don't know that I'm gonna be very good at using it because I suck at life. But that's everything. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future unboxings, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.